What's good, family? It's your man Harrison back again with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I caught 6,000 pips on gold. So guys, stay tuned. Yes, and I know your boy's looking grizzly, man. You guys know we can't get to the barbers right now. If I get 100 likes on this video, I might cut my hair myself. It might be fun, it might look hella crazy, but yeah, if I get 100 likes, I'll do it. Alright family, let's go. We're back again with another chart markup. So I did go over this in the live stream yesterday, but when I was running the live stream back, it was a bit jumpy, a bit laggy. Skipped out some really important bits, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and record this video for you guys. It'll be a lot more clearer, a lot more easier for you guys to digest. So this is gold. Obviously you guys know that your boy was in gold. Yeah, I caught about 6,000 pips in gold. I'm going to put on my entries just somewhere on the screen right now so you guys can see how many pips it went up to max and how many pips I caught from that. So this is gold right now. You guys know from the daily time frame, we always start from the very top. I'm going to break it down for you from the very top. The daily time frame, what we seeing? We are seeing a bullish flag, easy. We see the push up. We see a messy correction down in the shape of a flag pattern. This is known as a bullish flag, right? So it's not a bearish flag because it's going down. It's a bullish flag because it's an uptrend. It's a continuation pattern for price to continue to go up. Then we get a massive push, a massive expansion phase, and then we get a pullback here to this very exact zone right here. And the reason I identified that zone was because of this. I saw that there was multiple touches on this area right here. Multiple touches all across. We got tons here, all over here. We got more ceilings. We got more resistance down here, right? So this is a very strong zone, obviously. So I know now that when the price gets down to here, it's likely to reverse, right? So I don't just jump in when it gets there. I look for a reversal sign when it gets there. Because look, check this out. If I just jumped in now, from here to here, that's roughly about nearly a 300 pips. So if price got down here now, that's a 300 pip stop. Do you understand? Ain't nobody doing a 300 pip stop on gold. Ain't no one doing a 300 pip stop on gold, right? So guys, this is what I did. I go down into the lower time frames now. So I believe I went down to like the 15-minute, you know, and this is what I saw in the 15-minute. I saw this. This is what I saw in the 15-minute time frame, family. I saw a nice expansive move up and I saw a messy correction down. Where have you seen this before? We saw it in the daily time frame. What happened? Price then pushed up after it broke through this this bullish flag, right? So this happened here. Okay, this bullish flag right here, yeah? So after the price broke this bullish flag, you wait for price then to exhaust itself back down again, right? So this was my entry actually. This is where I initially wanted to enter, roughly about where my cursor is right now. This bottom right here, yeah? So I'm gonna put a little mark down here. So it was roughly about here somewhere. It was 78 something, 78, let's just call it there, 78 something, yeah? As you can see, it did not hit my entry. It did not hit my entry, and I was on a live stream at the time and this was happening. I was telling people, relax, chill, because when it hits my entry, I'm good to go, right? It didn't hit it. And also on the live stream, because it didn't hit my entry, don't worry about that entry. You can always catch the break and the retest of this descending channel, yeah? So whenever you see a descending channel, so this is what a descending channel is. You see a push down here, you see another strong push down here, right? All of this push down. And then when it gets down to here, what's happening here? The sell action is fizzing out. It's getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller, right? So that means the sellers are stepping out of the market and the buyers are stepping into the market. This is basically what a descending channel is, right? So the moment you get a break and retest of that descending channel, you're gonna jump in. So let's quickly go down to the 5-minute time frame now. I wanted to show you something real quick. So this is what I wanted for that break and retest. So don't forget, my first entry was missed by literally like a few pips, yeah? My second entry, I wanted it to come down here, right? It didn't do it. It came up to here. And so I said, it's all good, guys, chill out. If price breaks the top and of this descending channel and retest, boom, like it did, we jump in. And guess what, family? We jumped in that night, and in that exact, probably 45 minutes or 40 minutes or so, it literally went up and smashed about 200 pips. 200 pips, guys. Literally from the break and retest of a descending channel, 200 pips. Easy. Like, this is what we're talking about right here. I held this trade over the weekend and it just came back down to hit my stop loss, or my stop profit, sorry. But I know obviously this is a very strong move, right? I know the price wants to go up according to the daily and according to all these time frames, right? So I jumped in again, literally exact same spot, right? And then look at this, family. That was my first entry. And let me quickly make this a lot nicer for you guys. There we go. So this was my very first entry, as you can see, yeah? And all I did was this. Where price bounced off before, you can see that, and I'm gonna bring this up for you guys. Boom, and now I'm gonna bring it up. Sweet. So now check this out. Where price bounced off before, right? Okay, right here, where price bounced off before and came back down to retest that area, yeah? This is where I did my second position, okay? My second position was added in here. So now, guess what, family? So I'm now in with one position here and a second position here, yeah? Yes, price went against me by like, what, 30 pips or so? Absolutely nothing on gold. Price bounced off here before, family. So what do? I drop another zone, yeah? I drop another zone and wait for price to break through that zone and come back down to retest the zone. And it did it right here. You see it? So now I'm in with 3 positions. This is another thing I wanted to show you. So I obviously enter off of the breaks and the retest, yeah? So basically when price gets back into my zone, this is where I enter, right? Some people like to wait for the break of the zone, for price to come back down into the zone, and then for the candlestick to close, right? So this is what I did with my 4th position. So my 4th position, I waited for the break retest. This was my 3rd one. My 4th one was at the close of this candle. Right here, okay? So now your boy's in with 1, 2, 3, 4 positions now in gold. And then after that, I stopped adding entries. I could have added 1 more position here, but I completely missed it because I wasn't looking at the charts at the time. And then gold absolutely just took off like never before. I'm in with 4 positions here, and then it just goes literally to the heavens, yeah? Exactly to where I believe it's gonna go to, by the way, which is this zone right here. It went up to roughly about 1,640.45-ish. So now I'm in all of this and I'm up like 6,000 and something pips. And here's the maths again. Once again, I'm gonna pull it up on the chart to show you guys the pip count, okay? The pip count is right here to the left or something is right there to the left, yeah? So guys, that's the math. That's how your boy was able to catch 6,000 pips on gold, right? And obviously I know that price is going to continue to go up because I believe that price can go to at least 2,000, 1,800 to 2,000. So that's why your boy is holding the positions, holding the trades, holding it. I wasn't comfortable adding more positions in this zone here, but what I was comfortable in doing was this. So yesterday, I saw that price was creating this. Guys, what's this? What is this? Remember what I told you guys, what we saw at the very bottom, another descending channel. Guys, if you want to know how to trade descending channels, I've done a video on this, on how to trade descending channels. So go ahead and check out that video straight after this one. The video is how to catch 100 pips per hour. In that video, I show you how to trade descending channels. Yeah, sell rallies are getting smaller, buyers are stepping into the market. We jumped in at the break and retest. So let me move this out of the way. So we jumped in at the break and retest. Let me quickly go to the 50-minute time frame. Okay, cool. So like I said, this is the descending channel. We jumped in at the break and retest right here, family. And an instant took how many pips again? How many pips did we take from this move? Boom, roughly about 180 pip move. That's when I was comfortable to add in another position. I wasn't comfortable all up in here, okay? I was comfortable when I start seeing patterns, these kind of reversal patterns, signs that's gonna happen, right? Now, obviously with gold, we're holding. It's just literally within this zone right here. Okay, so we're in a little zone right now. Okay, this zone right here. It's within this zone right now. And we're just gonna hold. And like I said, I believe it's gonna go to 1,008 minimum. It's gonna break, smash through 1,007. Even if this breaks and we test above here, I could add positions if the spreads are correct as well. Because you know the spreads have been crazy with gold. It's been absolutely crazy with gold. I'm seeing 140 pip spreads and all kinds of stuff. So if the spreads didn't take you out, then you're still in this and you're still riding it too. And just to let you know, this all happened in 2 days. This all happened in 2 days. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. Check this out. Boom. So we entered in here, this candlestick right here. Let me move this out. No, I don't need that no more because we entered in right here. Boom. So this was 8.7, roughly about 8.7 here on this candlestick, and this all happened in 2 days, as you can see. And from roughly about 8.7, boom, yeah, to here. I hope I got it right. Roughly about 1,400. Sorry, it's even higher than that actually. So roughly about 1,487. Let's just pull it here. 8.7 sign, 8.7 there. I'm gonna bring it up to that wick there. Roughly about 1,540 pips. You guys can see it, guys. Y'all can see it. All right. So that's what we're talking about right now. So all happened in 2 days. So family, that was how your boy caught 6,000 plus pips on gold. We used a simple, easy pattern to identify that price was going to reverse, and then we used break and retest entries to add in multiple positions, and that was it. And then you let it ride. So you guys seeing the strategy now, you're seeing that I'm entering off the breaks and retests, you're seeing that I'm adding as many positions before the massive push up. So that was how your boy was able to catch 6,000 pips. Anyway guys, so your boy is still in those trades right now. I'm going to hold it because I believe that gold is going to go to 2,000. So hopefully you guys can catch these pips with me. Don't forget, if you want mentorship, hit me up on Instagram. I can sort you out as well. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know your boy's trying to get to 5K subscribers. Let's see if we can do it before the end of March. That would be absolutely amazing, man. So guys, once again, thank you for all the support and everything else. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and remember to turn on my notifications so you guys are aware whenever I release these bangers. And until next time, don't sleep, fam.